Good day everyone and welcome to another Dutty News where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Let's get into our top stories. And first up, American President Joe Biden showed that he was the Beyonce of world leaders at Queen Elizabeth II's funeral recently.
At a reception at Buckingham Palace, President Biden arrived in his armored limousine, but dozens of other leaders packed onto a fleet of coaches.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Me understand it, but me not like this from a Prime Minister at all though, Andrew Holness. Jesus peeve. 1 minute you're top dog and the next minute you're small fry.
Feel away!
On the other hand, Andrew Metal in there teach people them how to... And moving things right along, a 19-year-old former student of Campion College was applauded after this story broke that she traveled at 3 a.m. from Maypen to get to her high school in St. Andrew.
I had to get up very early, like 3 a.m. and I would get home very late in the night, and I had to balance all my extracurricular and leadership positions, including deputy head girl, and I had to work really hard to maintain a high GPA, and on top of that my family was struggling financially, so it was really rough.
You see all them little things there with ambitious and bright people. You see, that's why me would have just
fully done.
And in another story, an IG model accused the Maroon 5 lead singer of cheating.
Maroon 5 is practically elevator music at this point, so I'm sure you know who Adam Levine is. But Adam and I were seeing each other for about a year.
Oh wow, this now look good for the whole Tessanchin and Adam. Me know somebody special the way did I look on her back in the... You see, me And in more cheating news, a TikTok influencer shared a story of her very scandalous activities.
So I'm about to tell you guys a really big secret. I am pregnant with my ex-husband's baby while I'm in the middle of a divorce from my current husband.
Savior! Monitor!
Like, no, honestly, Tyler Perry, we're gonna take this and turn in our movie in a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Hallelujah!
Ha! Now, in another news, Nicki Minaj coerced City Girls member JT to sing a few lines from her diss song.
My diss song is saying, wait, what it say? Nicki can't rip my beat. She ain't even from the streets. So I was in my G, my Lucy, my braces.
No, finish it. Keep it going.
Wait, I don't remember.
Nicki. This reminds me of the time when Spice did make Lisa Hyper do this pan our show.
Give me a piece of the song, Lisa. Let me give you back piece. Me after the truth. Spice no stop.
And in this news just coming in, a popular businessman by the name of Ramish was caught on camera stealing chicken from one of his employees.
Yo, if you want them money and vex, man, let's go, sir.
Yo, bang up.
And go, sir.
And let's move along to this next story. An American pastor was seen on a video choking.
Take the pictures. Take the pictures.
The pictures.
This is crazy.
Wow. And so we're back again to another cheating story. A social media user posted a video of catching her man cheating.
This is your brother with another bitch, with another in his motherfucking car, another in his car.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
No man, them side chick are prime like them name 7 o'clock news. And let's get into this next story. Now, American rapper by the name of Post Malone took a nasty tumble. Ooh, you know, it is so sad, but why are we able to look at this video? If these people were really his fans, they would not do what the first part time name say. And let's get into our animal stories. Animal stories. And first up, so you've heard of the term the baddest bitch, but I bet you've never seen it quite like this.
That life is a prize. Look at it. Don't worry about me. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call you.
And from one bad bitch to the next, this K9 had quite the audacity.
Can you tell me what you want?
Treat, bitch.
Oh, excuse me? No. What do you say?
Bitch.
No. I'm not gonna give you a treat if you call me that. What do you say?
Please. Bitch, please.
You know, I used to wonder like if animals could talk. Yeah, me nobody wonder, cause it look like so the whole of them face stick. Can you imagine cats? Jesus Christ. Whew. And now let's get into our final story. The popular social media couple, YouTube couple, Gio and Ken are making a grand return to YouTube.
No joke, yeah, like the best person ever. One give me all like Gio Ken. Me no love for fall like Gio Ken. You my call like Gio Ken. Pon speed dial like Gio Ken. Me introduce her to the finer things, designer things. You're my queen, they treat me like a king. Willing to risk it, I love your mystic. Plus the makeup on your lipstick, flawless victory. Cutest girl in the district, part of my history. Can I you a Gio Lauren, imagine Nipsey. One give me all like Gio Ken. Then I love for fall like Gio Ken. You my call like Gio Ken. Speed dial like Gio Ken. Gio Ken. Then I love for fall like Gio Ken. Gio Ken.
Okay, Ken looks beautiful. She looks the same. She looks pretty much exactly like how we last left her. Gio. Hey, hey. Happy on reach back on YouTube, right? Listen. My God. Well, that is it for another edition of Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care until next time. I'm not doing anything, I'm just scratching this paper. See there? Completely gibberish. Look at that. Look at that. Where is it focusing? Okay. Are you focused? Just focus. Okay. Let me do it. Oh, this is it. Gibberish I'm writing. Have no space to move. Oh my God, I really need to leave this work. Maybe I should just read the weather.